So here are some things you can do during your open house if your open house is slow. I'm Joraine Costales. I'm a 19-year real estate veteran, homeowner, investor, and ranked in the top 1% of real estate professionals in the United States. My husband and I were part of a husband and wife real estate team, and we do mega open houses. My husband's out there grilling tacos. Sometimes we hire vendors. We've had bacon wrap hot dogs, bubbles, music, the works, you name it. We've had open houses where there have been 100 people, 200 people, lines out the door looking like Disneyland. But sometimes there are open houses like today where only a few groups come through, and then you're sitting there for the rest of the time, scrolling on your phone or thinking, where are all these people? So here are some things that you can do so that you don't lose your mind and that you don't just sit there scrolling on TikTok the whole time. If you have disclosures or reports for the property, read them. Familiarize yourself with the history of the house. Look up comparables for recent sales in the neighborhood and get to know the activity and what's going on in the market in the neighborhood. Walk around, do your agent's visual inspection. And if all else fails, just like this video, maybe leave a comment and just watch the rest of my videos and follow for more tips.